Hey traders, let's go over this week's trade and talk about our profits off of this week as well. One thing I want to note, I did add a new account again. We added the live SA a couple weeks ago, HSA. We added the Rollover IRA account. I'll talk about that in a minute. So let's go through our trades here. So now the total current balance starting for all these accounts was 136. And then of course we add the current balance here of the premium collected, closed and collected still open. And then we adjust that based on how much the stocks are down in the account. All right, that's where you get these numbers from. Second thing is the number that you're going to see when all accounts are up. The two new accounts are brand new, so that's why it looks a little funky. And if you hover over this, it'll explain exactly how we do it. They're time weighted. They were just added. There's no reason to go back to the beginning of the year and say, hey, we're only making 5% on these two accounts for the whole year. We just got them open, so they're time weighted based on when they started, just like your broker would do. Let's go through the trades. First trade we made this week was on IREN, and we did a $35 strike price and made $423.45. Now this was a roll, so we're going to minus out that roll in a second and I'll give you the true number. Okay, this is just for this leg of it, not the whole roll, so it is less than this. The second one is a Carnival Cruise Line, same thing. This was rolled. Again, profitable on both sides, so still great numbers. We made $164.45 before the roll. And then Uber was a plain cash secured put, $142.45. SOFI, one contract, $61.35 for August 21st. And then we have actually I need to check that. I think that's for August 14th, but I'm not going to worry about it right now. Carnival Cruise Line, August 14th for $146.70. Again, a straight put. So the total amount on these was a little over $900. I mean, you can do your own math on these. But when I back out the roll, which cost me $84 here on IREN, and it cost me, hover over the roll, it'll tell you in your trading journal, it cost me $62. I'm left with $792.40 on the week. Not a bad week. Now you can also go here to your wheel trade, where it says wheels. In this case, I'm going to click CCL. I have a lot more trades on that. You can see what cash secured puts that are closed were just straight trades that we never got assigned anything. And then you have a signed covered call here, boom, and we wrote a covered call, and then you have rolled here 2 times. We rolled these twice, all right? So you can go in and take a look at your rolls now. This is a brand new feature that we added, but hopefully this will be good for you guys to look at. And go ahead and hit that subscribe and like button if you like what you're seeing. We'll go over our trades every single week. I'll go over my live trades. You can also go into OptyTrades, the AI trader, and you can compare how I'm trading against the AI. Okay, it's just a neat little competition that I have going on. How does my trading do versus Opti's? Again, come on over, subscribe, like to what we do. We'll go over this every week. You'll also get a newsletter from us every single day on market conditions and possible trades for that day. Sign up to OptyTrades.com. It's free. You can use all these tools absolutely free. You guys have a wonderful day, wonderful week. We're heading off to Disney this weekend over to Orlando. We'll catch up with you next week when I get back. Have a great day.